Let's complete this table together. Y equals x, the graph is the line with the slope 1, passing the intercept at 0, 0. The domain is the set of all real numbers. The range is the set of all real numbers. This is an odd function because it has symmetry with respect to an origin. Y equals x squared. This is a parabola. The domain is the set of all real numbers. The range would be positive y value including 0. This function is the function that represents an even function because it has symmetry with respect to the y-axis. Y equals x to the third has a domain as a set of all real numbers, the range the set of all real numbers. This one is an odd function. It has symmetry with respect to an origin. Next graph, y equals absolute value of x, or the V-shaped graph. Domain is the set of all real numbers. The range, non-negative y value, or from 0 to positive infinity. This graph is an even function graph. It has symmetry with respect to the y-axis. Next, y equals 1 over x is called the reciprocal function. It's not defined at x equals 0. Therefore, the domain would be any value on the real number line but 0. The range is the same way. This graph represents an odd function graph. Y equals square root x, the radical with the index 2. The domain is the set of non-negative x value. The range, same way, 0 to positive infinity, and no symmetry. This graph is neither odd nor even. Next, y equals the cube root of x. The domain is the set of all real numbers. Range, set of all real numbers. Another odd function. Y equals e to the x, or exponential graph, has the intercept at 0, 1. The domain is the set of all real numbers, or you can write in this notation. The range would be positive y value, not including 0. Neither odd nor even. Y equals natural log of x is the inverse graph of the exponential function, has an x-intercept at 1, 0. The domain is the positive x value. The range, the set of all real numbers. Neither odd nor even. Y equals psi x. The domain is the set of all real numbers. The range from -1 to +1, including 2 endpoints. Another odd function graph. Cosine x. The domain is the set of all real numbers. The range the same as the range of the sine function. This one is an even function graph. The tangent is not defined as multiple of the odd pi over 2. The domain would be the set of all real numbers, but the odd multiple of pi over 2. The range, the set of all real numbers. This one is representing an odd function.